Discover Vigan City in Ilocos Sur, Philippine archipelago, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 Wonders cities. Vigan is a city that combines the rich history of the colonial era and the bustling atmosphere of an Asian city, but it never forgot its roots. The Spanish-era architecture remained, attracting more than 1 million visitors, both local and international travelers, every year. The street is part of Vigan's picturesque heritage village, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This consists of about 200 beautifully restored houses dating back to the 16th century. The buildings on Calle Crisologo particularly display a blend of indigenous Filipino and colonial European construction. Advocates campaign that Vigan's architectures more similarly reflect those of old Asian trading cities like Hoi An, Malacca, or Macau. In fact, many houses in Calle Crisologo were owned not only by scions of Spanish settlers, but also by wealthy Chinese who migrated to Ilocos Sur to set up businesses. While the street is beautiful during the day, it transforms into a magical and enchanting place after dark. At night, the Spanish colonial buildings along Calle Crisologo are illuminated, creating a picturesque and romantic ambience. The soft glow of the street lamps and the warm hues of the building's lights make for a captivating sight. Kalesa's horse-drawn carriages are still available for rides at night, allowing visitors to take a leisurely tour of the street while enjoying the cool night breeze. The soft clip-clop of the horses' hooves and the gentle sway of the carriage make for a relaxing and unforgettable experience. The street is lined with shops and stalls selling a variety of souvenirs, including locally made handicrafts, textiles, and food items. Take home a piece of Vigan's culture and heritage as a souvenir of your visit. There we found the Plaza Salcedo, or the Dancing Fountain. The fountain is the counterpoint of Vigan, encircled by their historic City Hall, City Church, and Parliament houses. It is the heart of Vigan. The dancing fountains are a very nice tourist attraction offered for free by the local government. The show starts at 7:30 p.m. and lasts about 30 minutes. Not too crowded, find a place where you see the projected images. A very good sequence of music with fountains being used to enhance the sound. A variety of colors makes this a great experience. Overall, Vigan City is a living testament and a true gem of Philippine heritage that should not be missed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to our channel.